Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Dollar Bead box for May of 2024. Just received this in the mail and I'm very excited to open it. So let's see. Let's get it into here. So first we have the May 2024 Dollar Bead box of Check Fire Polish. And when you join with them, open this up. When you join with them and you get the Dollar Bead box, you can add this on $8 for 8 strands a month. You get 4 millimeter and 3 millimeter of the Check Glass Fire Polish beads, and they're always so gorgeous. So here's these. And then it says, welcome this month's box of creativity and inspiration. We've curated a fun collection of colors, shapes, and styles for you to mix, match, and play with to find the perfect combinations for your design. Need more items? They're only $1 each in the online shop. So that is really cool. And here is the list of everything. Put that aside. Let's see what other goodies we have in here. Oh, I love when they send us these. I use these a lot for my earrings. Oh, check these out. Pinch beads. These are a really cool, fun new twist on the pinch beads with the stripe like that down the middle. Gorgeous goodies. Oh, little hearts. So cute. Okay, let me get everything unboxed and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm starting with the 3 millimeter strands here. These are jonquil, crystal yellow green Maria, brick red or crystal ruby luster, and the Siam satin. So sometimes you might, like when it says brick red or crystal ruby luster, you might get something different. But this is the 4 of them together. Look at how pretty these are. Just putting these flat against my wrist like this. You can put these 4 together and make a really cool stack. And each one of these is, I think they're 7 inches, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check this out and let you know. No, they're 6 inches. But you can create a lot of beauties with these. Look how pretty these are. Look at how sparkly they are. Just like Christmas. Every time you get a box, it's like Christmas morning as a kid. Okay, so we have those. And then these are the 4 millimeter strands. We have olive green, half copper or half brass, half copper, matte emerald, watermelon or matte watermelon, and opaque red or matte opaque red coral. So this would probably be the olive green, half copper or half brass, half copper, I would think, with these gorgeous, look at this, the sparkles in these. And then the matte emerald would be this. So pretty. It's nice to have matte beads too, because when you mix them with crystal beads, to me it gives the jewelry more texture because you have like one color on another. The next is watermelon or matte watermelon. This would be matte watermelon. I love the colors in here. Oh, they're broken up like that. It does look like watermelon. And the last one is opaque red or matte opaque red coral. So this would be the matte opaque red coral. I have so many sparkly fire polish beads that it's kind of cool to get some matte ones like this for something different. So look at all of these gorgeous beads here. So this is the Dollar Bead bag. This is their Check Fire Polish bag. Like I said, $8 for 8 strands. You cannot beat this. This is a lot. So let me get the rest of the bead box going and I'll be right back. So here we're starting with the strands. The first one is the 4 millimeter Check Glass Druck in topaz, and there's 50 pieces on here. I love all the shapes that these colors come in. The next is 3 by 5 millimeter Check Glass Gem Cut Rondelles in light topaz, 25 pieces. You can see the shape right there. They're so pretty. Absolutely love these. Next is the 6 millimeter Check Glass Druck light topaz, 25 pieces. So it's a nice little can make yourself a strand here like that. And these are so much fun. Next is a 5mm check glass bicone. I thought these were pinch beads. Yes, I'm getting this wrong. Red, brown, or ochre. Or, oh God, I can't say that. OCHRE. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, so trying to get these filmings done. So I have these, and I love all the colors in these. Orche. I know how to pronounce it. I'm just not doing it now. Next is 4mm glass, check glass, Orient and jet black, 30 pieces, and that has a really unique shape. It's like got 4 little sides. It's not a square. It's got like 4 little prongs on the end almost. That's cool. And then last for the strands is 5x8mm check glass donuts, red with black and violet. Not really seeing any violet in here. I'm seeing more of like a gray. But you know, when these are made, I mean, each one's a little bit different. So maybe this doesn't have as much violet as they're talking about in this strand, but they're gorgeous anyway. Look at those, pretty. And let's get to the bag. Okay, so we're starting with these. Let me get a head pin. I know I have one around here. Here we go. So these are the 4x14mm check glass coins in opaque red. There's 4 pieces. You're so pretty. It's so smooth. They're like table cut. Love those. Next is 10mm check fire polish in jet, and there's 6 pieces here. So here's a couple of them. You can see how pretty those are. I love that when you get the bigger fire polish beads too, because they're kind of, you can use them as a focal piece. You know, they're not real tiny. And next is the check glass tabular squares, 10mm opaque red travertine, 6 pieces. I love these beads. These beads are so pretty. They make great earrings because they're not too heavy. And look at all of the interest in these. Let me, if I got it up too close to the light. But you can see these. They're so pretty. Absolutely love these. And next is the 3x5mm check glass daisies in Siam. There's 30 pieces here. And here's a few of them. So it's a center hole. So what's so great about these is you can use these as daisies, or you can use them as spacers, like in between beads, you know, for some texture and interest to your jewelry, because there's a lot of grooves in there and everything. So use them against something smooth, and you give a lot more interest to your pieces. And then we have them in 3x5mm check glass daisies in white opal. So they're the same ones, but in white. So you could actually use these back to back with the other ones. Okay, so it's like that. And these are really pretty, very bright white. They would definitely stand out in a piece of jewelry. And next is 12x25mm check glass tabular ovals in jet. There's 2 pieces. I love these. We've received these in like purple, like a purple and gold one, I remember. I used it in a necklace. I put it up on my Etsy store and it sold instantly. It was so funny. So the etching in it is really pretty. You can see it's like very detailed. So even though it's all one color, like I said, there's still a lot of texture to it. And next is 7x10mm check glass twisted ovals in dark red. And here there's 8 pieces. These don't seem too dark. These look more like a milky red, or like a kind of a foggy red, but they're so gorgeous. But yeah, they're not too dark. Like I would say dark, I don't know. I would think dark would be darker, but they're gorgeous. Oh, and just so you know, I do have a coupon code, BN Jewelry 2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave it in the description below. So along with their website. So don't forget to check that out. And these are the 7x10 check glass twisted ovals in green opal. There's 8 of these. These have a lot of, I don't know if the camera's picking up, these have a lot of texture on them. The striations in them, the lines and everything. These have a lot of different veining and everything. So they're really pretty. Everything here is pretty. I've never been disappointed with a box from them. And next, oh, these are gorgeous. 11x16 millimeter check glass heart leaves in alabaster Picasso with red. Funny because Picasso is my favorite artist. So when I first started beading and I heard that there was a bead with Picasso finish in it, I was, oh, you know, even though I know it's different. So here's these. And then here's the other side. So it can be just a teeny bit different on both sides, and I'm sure each one of you that get one of these is going to be a little bit different. And next is 10x14 millimeter dyed bamboo coral chip in red. These are pretty. Make good spacers too. Oh, I'm going to leave a link up at the end of the video to really at the end of this video to a really cool video I know you're going to love. So stay till the end and watch it. And next is a Tiracast bird in tree charm, 12x17 millimeters antique silver plate. I don't really see the bird. I thought this was a tree of life. It's pretty though. Maybe there is a bird in there. I can't see it. The light is kind of shining on it. Yeah. And last is the 8x12, 8 to 12 by 12 to 14, 24 millimeter Nepalese handmade 6-layer chevron bead. This is really cool. Look at that. See that? This is so cool. I wonder if these would be $1 each on there. They're handmade. So, and you can look at them and, I mean, this has definitely got some interest to it. This is definitely going to be a focal point. I love this. This was a really cool box. So I hope you enjoyed this. And like I said, I have my coupon code BN Jewelry 2. That is below in the description. And thanks everyone for watching, and stay tuned for that next video that I know you will love. All of my information is below in the description, and you guys have a really great day.